This is what training should look like. Skill work that works on pace. 1v1 situations that allows you to use the skills you just learned. These reps are essential to getting real results in games. Three v 3 or 5v5 team situations. Playing the game is the fastest way to get better at it. Honestly, most kids are missing this part. Actually having fun just playing the game. Training doesn't take 100 cones and equipment.